Hey everyone, just wanted to share a quick market update. Want to talk about this major news about Bitcoin. So, the Bitcoin ETF in the United States is finally launching tomorrow, October 19th, 2021. Now, this is a very groundbreaking and significant moment in the crypto industry. And that is because crypto industry has been trying since many years to get a Bitcoin ETF approved. And why is that important? It's important because that will bring more regulatory clarity to the space, and also it allows institutions to invest in Bitcoin in a more convenient and safer way. So that means it could bring a lot more money to the crypto space, and thus raise the crypto space market cap. So this is a very critical moment. It's critical because there are two theories that can happen now. One thing is that because now more money can flood into the market, and that would mean that the price can rally. Currently, Bitcoin is around 62,000 US dollars. Now, it's very close to the all-time high of around $64,000, and we're likely to cross that figure uh, very soon. And if we do that, then there could be a huge rally all the way up to $100,000. Now, the other theory is the idea of buy the rumor, sell the news. So since the Bitcoin ETF is launching tomorrow, it might very well be a market dump. But my understanding is that even if the market dumps tomorrow once the Bitcoin ETF launches, just a quick note, the Bitcoin ETF that is launching is a Bitcoin futures ETF, futures-backed ETF instead of a spot ETF. So the idea is that even if the market dumps tomorrow, the idea is that very quickly, in a few weeks, the market is expected to rally again. And that is because we are still in a bull run. The bull market support band is still holding, and by the end of the year, we think it's going to be a significant rally and the parabolic moves that we all are expecting. So I'm not a financial advisor, and you should always do your research and not take anything I say as financial advice. Now, let me talk about what I think. I think that if you're a long-term investor in crypto space and Bitcoin, then regardless of the market pumps and dumps, you should hold your positions. Because that means that overall, regardless of what happens in the short term, in the long term, your portfolio size will be increasing in US dollar terms. So the opportunity cost is really high right now. Bitcoin, with the inflation going on and the money printing all over the world, especially in the United States, with that, Bitcoin is now, especially with the introduction of this US ETF, remember that Canada and so many other countries have already approved ETFs long ago, a few months ago. So the approval of these ETFs give more legitimacy to the space. And with inflation rising, that means a fixed asset, a fixed supply asset like Bitcoin, that is easily transferable and essentially is a gold 2.0 without any of the drawbacks of gold. So it's very possible that Bitcoin melts faces in the next quarter four, in the current quarter four, and early next year. But we always should be cautious. Always, it's not a good idea to be taking leverage trading, and follow a predetermined entry and exit points. That's always a good idea, so that you're not carried away by the emotions and the hopium that goes around when the market is going parabolic. So we're watching Bitcoin very closely. The entire crypto space is watching Bitcoin very closely. All eyes on Bitcoin. Altcoin market is pretty much stagnating right now because of this huge moment in the history of crypto space. All right, that's it for me for today. Stay healthy, stay wealthy.